Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter 1 of civics. What is democracy and why democracy? In this chapter, we will do the important questions here. First, give a definition of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by we people. Simply, we can say democracy is of the people, for the people, and by the people. Now, second question. What are the features of democracy? So, let us discuss the main features of democracy. First, rulers are elected by the people, take all the major decisions. Means the major decisions will be taken by only the ruler who is elected by we people. Second, a democracy must be based on a free and fair election. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. A democratic government rules within the limits set by constitutional law and citizens' rights. Simply, you can say that democratic government works in the limits set by constitution. Now, how does democracy enhance the dignity of citizens? Usually, we say that democracy enhance the dignity of citizens. How? Even if democracy does not bring about better decisions or accountable government, it is still better than any other form of government. Democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Democracy is based on the principle of political equality, on recognizing that the poorest and the least educated has the same status as the rich and educated people are not subjected of a ruler. They are the rulers themselves. Even when they make mistakes, they are responsible for their conduct. How is democracy better than any other form of government? Simply, democracy is better than any other form of government because it allows to correct its own mistakes. If a ruler is doing mistakes, next time we people will not support that ruler and he will become a loser. And if a ruler is doing well, then next time he will again come and rule. No form of government can guarantee that the advantage in a democracy is that such mistakes cannot be hidden for long. There is a space for public discussion on these mistakes and there is a room for correction. Either the rulers have to change their decisions or the rulers can be changed. Now, next question. What are the merits of a democratic government? We always want our country a democratic country. A good democratic government should be there. So, why it is better and what are the merits? A democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. Democracy improves the quality of decision making. As we know very well that a number of people are there in a democratic system when a decision is taken. So it takes time, but the quality of decision making is always best. Democracy provides a method to deal the differences and conflicts. Number of variations or differences are there in the country. So many castes, religions, languages are there, but still there is no problem because democracy provide a method to deal with these differences and avoid the conflicts. Democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. It is better than any other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Thank you. Next of the questions we will do in our next video.